Good day everyone, my name is Charlie Mayorga. I am 28 years old. I am studying the B1 plus level of Virtual English at UNAD. For this presentation there was one topic in particular that caught my attention, and since it is a controversial topic and personally an important topic to address, I made a decision to talk about sex work should be legal everywhere. Sex work is a paid activity in which people offer sexual service in exchange for money or other benefits. It's a complex and controversial topic that has been addressed in different ways in different societies. Personally, I don't have any arguments in favor. I thought in the video Senator Kamala Harris, who talks about what she considers to be arguments in favor. She thinks that being adults we have awareness in making decisions more specifically about how, when, why, and with whom to perform a sexual act, that if it is a benefit for the person providing the sexual service, they don't see any drawback because it would be good for a service. That if the case is if someone is being harmed, that if it would be pertinent to intervene, but otherwise she doesn't see it as necessary. The arguments against and with which share the opinion with Pastor James Pittman is that we are not talking only about the consensual and paid sexual act, but about everything that lies behind and around it. Pittman talks about the beings who manage the entire sexual trade, and that to feed and strengthen said trade for those who consume it, it must have variety and quantity, because sex workers are seen as products. So in this way the work opportunities are mixed, which in reality is the well-known trafficking wife, and that condemns those who fall in this network to a life of slavery, mistreatment, abuse of all kinds, abandonment, and finally death. On the other hand, there are boys that consider that the regulation is favorable because it gives them job guarantees and the possibility of having social security, but other boys are against it because they consider these activities as a violation of human dignity, sexual exploitation. Furthermore, it is highlighted that behind the commercialization of so-called sex work, crimes such as human trafficking and worse, trafficking of children and adolescents are camouflaged. In conclusion, it's a quite controversial issue, but how could we live with peace of mind when attempts are made to normalize abuse, mistreatment, and violence toward other people with the justification that when it's regulated it will be less outrageous? Those who are part of this sexual trade don't care neither the well-being nor the quality of life or those who provide this type of service matters. This act are simply aberrant and despicable, because behind each person who is subject to performing these jobs, there is someone who at some point wished or has wished to have had more options and opportunities. Thank you very much.